Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering off the controller and removing batteries so nothing shorts. Once done, peel off the label to expose the 5 screws and use a T6 Torx to remove them. Keep screws in a container so none get lost. Next, use a spudger to gently pry the shell. Steady pressure prevents snapping plastic. You're doing these steps to access the thumbstick modules. If you rush this part, you can damage ribbon cables, so take your time and work on a clean, well-lit surface. Now you'll disconnect the thumbstick module from the board and inspect the potentiometer for grime, loose solder, or physical wear. This explains why drifting happens. Contamination or worn contacts change readings. Use 90% plus isopropyl on a swab to gently remove dust and grime around the pot. Avoid flooding the board. Once clean, consider a brief application of a contact cleaner for stubborn residue. Then cycle the stick through full motion to dislodge particles. Make sure connectors are seated firmly, but finish by reseating the connector and aligning the shell before tightening screws evenly so the faceplate sits flush. Uneven torque can bind the stick. Reinsert batteries or plug USB, then pair the controller and test in-game by checking neutral position and adjusting dead zone settings. This confirms whether cleaning fixed the issue. If drift persists, you'll need to replace the thumbstick module or expand the dead zone. Troubleshooting tip: if new module still drifts, recheck solder joints and connector pins for damage or cold joints.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.